Good morning, children. I am Nishi Arora. With me, Pooja Pareva. Today, we shall study Class 12th, Subject English, Textbook, Flamingo, Poetry, Lesson 6, Aunt Jennifer's Tigers. Part 2. Dear children, in part 1st, we knew about the summary of this lesson. Today, we shall do question answers of this lesson. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Word meanings. Children, in this question, we shall learn meaning of these English words in Hindi. Tiger means बाघ. Society, समाज. Fingers, उंगलियां. Strength, शक्ति. वे, वजन. Question number 2. Take the correct alternative. Children, in this question, we shall choose a correct answer and will write it in the bracket. Okay. What are the tigers known for? Children, you know tigers are known for their strength. So, we shall write B in the bracket. Question number 3. Write T for true and F for false. Children, in this question, we will write T for correct sentence or F for wrong sentence. Aunt Jennifer's tigers are described fearful. No is wrong. So, we shall write F in bracket. Question number 4. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Children, in this question, we shall choose a correct answer and will write it in this blank. The dash will stay forever prancing, proud and unafraid. Correct answer is tigers. So, we shall write TIGERS, tigers. Question number 5. Answer the following question. What will happen after the aunt's death? Answer. In this poem, the wedding signifies the amount of dominance Aunt Jennifer's husband has exercised over her. Even after her death, she will not get freedom from ordeals she went through. But her artwork, Tigers, will stay forever prancing, proud and unafraid. Children, now we have done question answers of this lesson. Now you will do homework. Homework. Question number 1. Write the meaning of the following words in English. Children, in this question you will write meaning of these Hindi words in English. For example, Bagh means tiger. Tiger. Okay, in the same way you will write meaning of these words in English yourself. Okay. Question number 2. Tick the correct alternative. Why are Jennifer's fingers fluttering? Choose the correct answer and write it in bracket. Question number 3. Write T for true and F for false. The tigers are not afraid of man because they are strong and brave. Write the answer in bracket. Question number 4. Fill in the blank with the correct option. Aunt Jennifer's fingers are fluttering through her dash. Choose the correct answer and write it in this blank. Question number 5. Answer the following question. Why is it so hard for Aunt Jennifer to pull the ivory needle? Write the answer yourself. So children, now we have completed this lesson. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.